Breaking news po mga kababayan, nako po, Senador Marcoleta, talagang ginisa ang apo sa tuhod ni Tomas Cloma tungkol po ng issue ng Kalayaan Group Islands dito sa West Philippine Sea, mga kababayan. At dito, muling nasabon, nabuljak itong si Pinky Lacson na tinatawag ngayon ng taong bayan na si Tapal King. So ngayon mga kababayan, matindi po ito. Panoorin po natin paano nabuljak itong apo sa tuhod ni Tomas Cloma na nagkautal-utal, hindi makasagot-sagot kay Marcoleta. Si Pinky gustong magpasikat, supalpal ngayon mga kababayan. Panoorin po natin paano napahiya si Pinky Lacson at yung apo sa tuhod ni Tomas Cloma. Nako po mga kababayan ko, eto na, nakakahiya ito.
Morning, ma'am. I guess Corpus is your maiden name. So is your husband a direct descendant of Tomas Cloma?
My husband, sir, happens to be a great grandson.
Great
of-
grandson.
Yes, sir, but that his mother's mother is cousin of Thomas Cloma, sir.
Yeah. Please extend my regards, and we'd like to thank him for discovering and occupying
Yes,
and
sir.
owning and donating to the Philippine government the Kalayaan Island Group.
Yes, sir.
That's all, Mr. Chairman.
O isipin nyo, sumausaw agad. Talagang akala mo may alam si Pinky. Yung tawa niya parang Maleta Boys eh. Tuloy natin.
Colonel Cloma, so you are married to the descendant of Mr. Thomas Cloma?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Senator Lacson made reference to his being the one who discovered the what? Kalayaan Island Group?
Kalayaan
What is
Island
that,
Group.
please? Was that supported by reliable accounts, Colonel?
Sir, before I will speak, sir, I'd just like to make a disclaimer that my statement will not reflect of my organization. So this will be my personal account, sir, and based on the stories I had from my husband, and I did a little research about it, sir. So
I'm not referring, Colonel, to the stories. I'm talking about
Mga kababayan, ibig sabihin, kwento-kwento lang, chismis lang, pero wala namang totoong verified na sinasabi na dinonate talaga itong KIG ni Tomas Cloma. Kaya itong apo sa tuhod na kernel, supalpal kay Marcoleta, pati si Lacson. Check natin, ulitin natin.
Morning, ma'am. I guess Corpus is your maiden name. So is your husband a direct descendant of Tomas Cloma?
my husband, sir, happens to be a great grandson.
Great
of-
grandson.
Yes, sir, but that his mother's mother is cousin of Thomas Cloma, sir.
Yeah. Please extend my regards, and we'd like to thank him for discovering and occupying
Yes,
and
sir.
owning and donating to the Philippine government the Kalayaan Island Group.
Yes, sir.
That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Colonel Cloma, so you are married to the descendant of Mr. Thomas Cloma?
Yes, sir.
Senator Lacson made reference to his being the one who discovered the what? Kalayaan Island Group?
Kalayaan
What is
Island
that,
Group.
please? Was that supported by reliable accounts, Colonel?
Sir, before I will speak, sir, I'd just like to make a disclaimer that my statement will not reflect of my organization. So this will be my personal account, sir, and based on the um, stories I had from my husband, and I did a little research about it, sir. So
I'm not referring, Colonel, to the stories. I'm talking about historical accounts, if they are very viable, that the great ancestor of your husband was the one who discovered the Calayan Island Group. Is
um,
this supported by historical facts?
I have seen and read some references about it, sir.
Did you know, Madam, that, Colonel, that when Mr. Thomas Cloma made a Freedom Declaration in 1956, several countries objected because, well, several countries like United Kingdom, the United States of America, China did also, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines. Did you know that?
Based on my reading, sir, I only read countries like Vietnam, China, and France.
Yes. Did you
And
know that these countries objected to his declaration?
yes, sir.
And there is a common ground, Colonel, why they objected. Do you know what the ground is?
May you please enlighten me, sir, on that?
Yes, because according to the objectors, Kalayaan Island Group at that time is no longer treated as terra nullius, which means that
Nobody's island, sir.
it is not unoccupied and it was not undiscovered. Kaya po, Colonel, pati ang ating bansa vigorously objected. And that is why it is not correct to assume that he discovered it, because several other discoverers prior to his time. Do you know that in 1837, the United Kingdom already made a notification claim? Did you know that, madam? And in 1933, the Japanese, or Japan, also made the same notice of claim, 1933. Prior to the declaration of Mr. Thomas Cloma in 1956, Japan already made a notice of claim. Meaning, marami na po talaga ang nakadiscover ng Kalayaan Island Group. So, hindi po siya pwedeng mag-donate dahil inobjekan po ng ating bansa mismo. Do you know the representative of the Philippine government at that time when the objection was made? Alam po ninyo? He was then the Secretary of Foreign Affairs who became president of this country. So hindi po talaga pwede na siya yung nag-discover, madam, on those grounds. And it is not correct that earlier it was reflected in the minutes of this commission, that President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. formalized it in Presidential Decree 1596. There is no record attesting to that. And there is no record also, Mr. Chair, that his donation was formalized by the arbitral ruling. That is not on record, Colonel, Mr. Chair. Just for the record. Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Honorable Marcoleta.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Honorable Lacson is recognized.
Colonel Cloma,
O ayan, si Ping Lacson na yung magpatalo. Bida-bida na naman mga kababayan. Tignan nyo, wala namang kasense yung sinasabi.
what is the difference between discovery and occupation? Is there a difference? You may discover an island, but if you don't occupy it, then you don't occupy it. So can you tell us the the basic difference between discovery per se
Yes.
and discovery and occupation.
So based on my apprehension, sir. So once you discover something, sir, you just learn about it, and then you can just pass by, sir. Yes, sir. That's the term. And once you occupying is a different thing, sir, because you spend a lot of a time, as a certain period of time in that certain area. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
O, kita nyo mga kababayan, nasupalpal na naman itong si Pinky. Dapat debatihin mo si Marcoleta. O, check natin mga kababayan ang sinasabi ng mga komento ha. Naku po mga kababayan ko. Kasi nga, hindi nila kayang birahin si Marcoleta. Meron siyang mga resibo itong sinasabi ni Lacson na si Tomas Cloma ay dinonate yung KIG, wala ka naman titulo. Para ka lang iskwami na kahit 50 years ka dyan, wala ka namang may pakita na titulo, hindi sa'yo yan. O, tignan nyo mga kababayan ko ba? Attorney Joel Cloma, I believe you should enter your appearance. Napakarami sinasabi, atin nga yung KIG. Ay, naku, mga kababayan. May basihan din si Marcoleta na sa China ang KIG. Dapat dyan kay Senator Marcoleta pakainin ng dinuguan para maging tunay na Pilipino. Naku po, mga kababayan, mga tangalista. Kontrabida naman si Senador Marcobeta, tuta ng China. Naku, mga kababayan, mga tangalista ito. Wala kayong mahehetot sa mga tangalista na ito. So, i-check natin mga kababayan yung sinasabi ng mga kababayan natin. Eto po. Tuwang-tuwa pa naman si Pinky. Supalpal tuloy kay Marcoleta. O yan, supalpal. Tuwang-tuwa si Pinky. Supalpal pala. Malaki talaga ang lamang ng may alam. Hindi lang chismis lang. Hindi media-media lang. Hindi, chismisan. Pinky, hindi chismisan, kundi ebidensya. Naku naman, Pinky. Kaya ka na supalpal I really appreciate Senator Marcoleta well-researched information. Unlike others who often shoot oneself in the foot, who speaks before thinking or verifying information. May God help our country with more wiser law makers and leaders. Alam mo, Lacson, dapat ganito. Paano mo malalaman na anak mo si Juan? Paano mo mabe-verify? Ipa-DNA test mo. Hindi yung sinabi lang ni kumpare na anak mo ito, pero anak ni kumpare mo. Diba, anak ko yan. Yung pala, anak ng kumpare mo. Para malaman mo, Pinky, ipa-DNA test mo, ipa-verify mo sa doktor, sa may alam. Hindi yung chismis lang, sinabi lang ng kumpare mo. Oy, Pinky, anak mo yan. Yung pala, naiiputan ka na pala. Anak pala ni kumpare mo si Juan. Ganon yun. Si Marcoleta may basis, may information. Kayo wala. Mga chismisan lang, mga marites lang kayo. Pati si Lauren Legarda marites din yan. Sasabihin mo history. Hindi naman pala totoo. Nauna na pala ang Japan. Nauna na pala ang United Kingdom kung di ako nagkakamali. 1956 lang pala si Tomas Cloma. Sasabihin pa, dinonate, diniscover. Hindi naman pala totoo. Sasabihin nyo may... Di ba nag-object din yung Pangulo ng Pilipinas, kung di ako nagkakamali, si Garcia. Di ba? Na dating sekretary ng DFA, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Sino ba yon? Yung sinasabi ni Marcoleta. O ngayon, nabuljak kayo ngayon, pati itong apo ni Tomas Cloma, hindi nga alam kung anong history. Utal-utal pa ito. So sasabi, Thank you for donating the KIJ. Ay, Pinky, mag-research ka. Hindi chismisan. Tapos mag-ano ka na naman sa social media, puputak ka na naman. Dibatihin mo si Marcoleta para makita kung sino talaga nagsasabi ng totoo, sino talaga ang traidor ng bayan. Eh ayaw mo ngang investigahan yung 18 na Marines na sinasabi mo na sila ay hindi totoo. Gumagawa ka na agad ng output mo. Manghuhula ka ba? Eh sabi nga ni Marcoleta, hindi ka lang pala magaling na investigador, isa ka ring Madam Auring. O ngayon, supalpal ka ngayon. What is the difference between the discovery and the occupation? Siyempre, pag na-discover mo, ikaw yung unang nakakita. Halimbawa, yung Limasawa ng Cebu. Nakita ni Magellan noon. Noong March 17, 1621. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Diba? Doon unang bininyagan ng Kristyanismo sa Limasawa. Ibig sabihin, pagka diniscover mo, halimbawa yung itlog, ikaw ang unang nakakita, ikaw ang discoverer. Halimbawa, yung ilaw, sino bang naka-imbento? Thomas Alva Edison. Siya ang unang nagdiscover. Isasabihin yung Thomas Cloma ang nagdiscover, nag-donate, hindi pala totoo. Marami na pala mga bansang umaangkin. O ngayon, sinuplak kayo ng dating presidente. O, hindi pala totoo yung mga donate na yan. Chismisan lang pala. O, ngayon, dinayan yung history. Ang ngayon, nabulgar ni Marcoleta. O, ngayon, sinong natanga-tanga ngayon? Sinong bobo ngayon? Kayo. Pinky, sabi ng komento, ang tanga mo. Ilalaban ka kasi, kulang ka sa bala at tangke. Eh si Marcoleta maraming bala yan, may information yan. May dala-dalang mga resibo, eh ikaw, wala ka nang masabi. Thank you for donating the KAG. You are the descendants, you are the apo sa tuhod. Yun lang alam mo, debatiin mo si Marcoleta. O ngayon, wala kang masabi. O mga kababayan, decide. Sino ang papanig kay Lacson na walang alam? Sino ang papanig kay Marcoleta na maraming alam? For transparency, for a better democracy, mabuhay po. Isang like, isang share po, at isang subscribe. Mabuhay po.